I had 10 minutes and somewhere to go, baby. And Wiggins Hair came right on through and gave us an easy breezy style. I'll see you mother jumpers on the other side. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am back with a unit from Wiggins Hair. We're coming through with a pre-everything unit. When I mean pre-everything, I mean pre-plucked, cut, pre-bleached, pre-braided. Everything is rearing and ready to go. I'm gonna take out the tissue so you guys can see her. This unit is like two braids, which they are super cute. Okay, are you into it? This is a loose deep wave unit, 13 by 6 lace, 24 inches of love, sex, and magic. Already the texture of the hair feels luscious, okay? I don't expect this to be a long unit. We're going to give her the respect that she deserves, and we're just going to get into it, okay? So let's talk about the cap construction. This unit, because she's pre-plucked, she also comes through with her little baby hairs, rearing and ready to go. She has 2 combs on the side, okay? An adjustable band, as well as, again, lace on the back as well if you want to throw her up in a ponytail and a comb in the back. She does have adjustable straps for kind of forever. So let's just throw her on really quick and just see what mother is working with. So Wiggins Hair so graciously provided us with a few goodies. We have our tabs, our ear tabs, some lashes, an edge brush. This is a wig cap, the Wiggins Hair wig lace band, as well as a wig bag. Always, always need a wig bag, okay? So let me lace it out. So this is braided all the way down, guys. It's a big lace for me. She is 24 inches. She feels short to me, but yeah, whatever. She is a loose deep curl pattern, and sometimes your curl pattern justifies just how long or not something feels. Okay, so this is her. Nothing on her. Okay, she's just rearing and ready to go. So now that we've gotten her on, this unit is currently going for around $250 for 24 inches. Okay, this is a transparent lace, like really, really beautiful lace. I'm just using my NARS to color the unit. This is a minus. Okay, that's my complexion. I'm just going on through and dabbing that lace. Okay. She just needs a little bit of love. Just a tinge. I'm just going on through and dabbing her on up. Again, this unit is 180% density. The texture of the hair is stunning. Like, I'm not even going to fake. It feels wonderful. The lace, this is a very, very, very big head unit. And because of that, they're generous with the lace as well. What I'm going to do, let me plug in my blow dryer here. I'm going to only do a little bit of glue. And that's not because it needs it, but because my head is small and I don't want to cut here. Because this braid is like it's like a cornrow down, like as if you saw how I had my hair in 2 braids in the beginning. That's exactly what it is down. So I don't want to compromise the lace. I'm going to use my handy dandy blow dryer, and we're going to. So let's dig on into this unit that was provided to us by Wiggins Hair. Now, I need to reiterate, this is a ready and go wig. And by ready and go, I mean that if you a heifer who don't know what the hell she's doing, baby, this one is for you, okay? She is pre-everything. This unit can be worn glueless. I am going to use my Isha spray just to kind of like dab in the lace and kind of like mold it to my head and glue it down, only because For me, this is a relatively big head friendly unit, and I don't want to compromise it by cutting it. Now, you can, when you're customizing it for yourself, definitely go in and chop your lace the way that you need to. But for this purposes of this video, I didn't want to do that for y'all, okay? So I'm going on through and getting my right one together. Again, this is 24 inches, transparent lace at 180% density, and she's going for around $254, okay? But obviously, if you dip down into the description box, I'll have something extra for you so you can get this unit for the low low. Okay, now I must say I am absolutely impressed with this unit, and truth be told, she doesn't require much. Okay, I'm a brown girl, so I got to make sure my lace matches, but past that, she's doing all the work for you. Now I'm gonna shut my Mimi's hat mouth, and I'm gonna let us get into it on the other side. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this on. Okay, so this unit is beginner friendly, big period. If you're looking for something that you want to throw up on your head, you need to go to Wiggins Hair and check them out. They have this pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-braided, rearing, ready to go wear and go unit that you all really need to get into. This is a vibe. Like, I'm really into how the lace looks. This unit is very big head friendly. She actually didn't shed. Wait a minute. She didn't shed at all. I did chop a little bit just to make sure that it would fit my head. But other than that, she didn't really do much of any shedding. The hair is really, really soft to the touch, which I love. I didn't do much of anything to the hair. I didn't add any product or anything because she does not need it. This is a unit that you're supposed to snatch out the pack and throw her on your mammy tammy head, which to me is what we're always kind of looking for. For $200, around that $250 mark, at 24 inches, yes. Yes, I think I would give this unit all in all probably like an 8.5 out of 10. I can't there's very small technical things that I don't, it's just the unit is very, very big. Very, very big. And you would have to like chop the lace to kind of fit your ear. And my fear is that it'll compromise the braid. That's why I took a 1.5 off, okay? That's the truth. Otherwise, she did it. Let me turn around so you guys can see. Look how beautiful the back looks. Like such a beautiful. Ooh, my nails all dirty. I really don't have anything else to say. This unit is really, really, really nice. She is easy to get together. I really do think that you all need to check out Wiggins Hair. They are fire. Fire. Do you hear me? I have not had an issue with them ever, not never, not once. So I'm kind of surprised. Because she came on through. So bust down, subscribe to this Mammy Tatum channel. Let me know what you guys think. Are you in for this unit that is wear and go? Or do you like to do you need to do a little bit of work? You let me know. Check her out. Look, I'm feeling myself. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.